Do you know that a small branch of tree can be made into a beautiful calligraphy pen? Are you shocked? Do you want to know how it is possible? Let us see. Take a small branch of a tree, cut both the ends with a sharp knife. After you cut it from right to left, mark a triangle on both the sides. Keep one thing in mind, that both the triangle should be facing each other on exactly opposite sides. After that, remove the wood present in the triangle as shown here. On back end, mark it, and then using a sharp knife try to peel it out. You should not apply much pressure. The knife may cut the entire stick. Be careful while cutting down the triangle. Peel out using the sharp end of the knife. There should be an empty space as shown here. Can you see that? Now cut the end properly. While cutting the end of the stick, it should not be too broad or here and there. After that, take support of the pad or table and cut it in the shape of a nib of a calligraphy pen. After that, remove the margin because while cutting it may be up and down. Now from the thin end you should split it into two halves as shown here. Now you can use the stick pen to write anything you wish in a beautiful way. Simply dip as the triangle enters into the ink and then start writing on a paper. Using this pen, you can write any stroke, any font in the most beautiful manner. If you wish to buy a pen like this, it may cost over 2000 rupees or more than $5. But here you can make it at your home without spending a single penny. If you really like the video, please share, subscribe. For more updates and more types of pens, keep watching for the next video.